Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. We are out at the backup gun match once again. I'm over here on the side to give you guys an intro because the gun I am shooting today is a Taurus Curve. So named because the frame is actually curved. I picked one of these up at a gun show a while back, actually, at this point, because it was so cheap and it's such an obscure, weird gun that I couldn't not give it a try. I have done exactly all of the preparatory work that one would expect for a Taurus Curve owner, buyer, shooter, which is to say I've done absolutely nothing except pull it out of the box. It came with a little dangly neck holster, which has a battery in it, which is supposed to do this cool thing where it activates the light and laser as soon as you draw it, but the first time I drew it, it broke and the battery fell off, or the magnet fell off. It was magnet operated. So we won't be using that. This thing has a little white cross on the back of the slide that is theoretically your sight. There are no sights on the top, and it does have this integrated laser with a little power button on the side. There's a pair of little LED bulbs built into it as well. Outside daytime Arizona, we don't need the light. I'll be curious to see if the laser is visible on the targets at long-ish range, and if it's in any way zeroed. Haven't oiled it, haven't test fired it, haven't zeroed it. It's exactly what one would do with a sub $200 Taurus pistol. So let's jump into the first stage here and see what happens.
Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
I do.
Shooter, let him make ready.
Oh, that's not good.
Not daylight visible laser?
I can't see anything. I got absolutely nothing. But I do have this little white plus on the back of the gun. And it jammed on the first round. What could possibly go wrong?
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
I know I'm hitting it, it's moving. Ah, I got one. Hold on. I got more ammo. Stand up. Stand. All right.
All right, that's time.
14.
Yeah.
14 total points. All right, so I got a total of 14 points because while only one of the targets went down, I did manage to hit the back one, like, I think 3 times.
Yeah.
I have no idea where because I'm not the first shooter, so I can't see exactly which hits are mine. The laser is completely useless. We'll see if maybe we have any stages later in the match that are at shorter range where maybe I can see the laser, but for now, oh, not so good. I can see my laser there. Oh, okay. Can still see it. Oh, okay. If I am aimed perfectly at the plate, I can see the laser. We'll see if that actually works.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
Come on, laser. The laser is not zeroed.
All right. Shooter unload, shoot clear. Range is cleared.
So I've got 3 cartridges that I still have here because they malfunctioned out of the gun. I somehow managed to get one of the plates by actually using the little cross on the back of the slide, and that was a miracle. Or no, I'm sorry, I got 2 that way. I was able to actually see the laser for the first shot, and I thought I had a pretty good trigger press, and I had the laser on the plate, and I didn't hit it. And after that, I'm not going to bother trying to use the laser again because it took so much time to find it and get it on and hold it on the plate during the atrociously long trigger pull that this thing has. So we're going to go back to the little cross on the back of the slide for the next stages. See how that does.
Turn the sensitivity up to that.
Off to a great start here. All right.
Legendary Taurus quality.
Yeehaw! I wonder if I can sort of see the red dot, the laser, but not really. We're not even going to bother trying with the laser.
Shooter ready.
Yeehaw!
Stand by.
Safe. All right, 2 mouths in that magazine.
Time. Shooter, unload, shooter clear.
Another malfunction. So I hit the standing one twice.
Oh, okay. You hit that one twice. Okay.
Yeah, which is why I moved on, because that counted.
Oh,
Okay.
so 26.
And then, woo, that barrel's too hot on my pocket.
So you did dramatically better than you did in the previous stages. You're only at -4.
Ooh, awesome. My score is only -4.
Shooter, do you understand what's fire?
Yep.
Shooter, load and make ready.
All right. You know what? There's 8 targets on this stage. I've got 6-round magazines for this thing. And it malfunctions so often that I don't know that I could actually get 8 shots with 12 rounds of ammo in the magazines. I just... no. Yeet me. We're going to do this with a yeet cannon, and it's actually going to work. All right, let's do this.
Shooter ready.
Ready?
Stand by.
Nice. All right, there's your comparison. I actually cleaned a stage, had a positive score with a yeet cannon, as opposed to that utterly useless Taurus. Hope you guys enjoyed the video more than I enjoyed having to go through this match with a Taurus Curve. Thanks for watching.